Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk about Python for Applied Data Science AI Module 5 graded quiz. So I'll proceed with the answer. So the first question is what are the three parts of to a response message? So there will be a start or status line, header and body. Here we are talking about the API request, how we can do it and we can have the status line, header, and the body, and those will be the considerable values that we have in the response message. Second, what is the purpose of this line of code? That is table row equal to table dot find all name equal to tr used in web scraping. So, web scraping, I'll tell you what it is. It's like capturing data using Python or some other tool in the format of HTML. So whatever data is in form of HTML, you are going to fetch that whenever you're going to pass on to the website, and you can fetch all the data that is available there. So that is a web scraping actually. And when the name equal to tr is, it will find all the data, that is all the data within the table marked as tr. So wherever the tag tr is there, that data will be fetched here. Third, in what data structure do HTTP response generally return? So, in general, the HTTP response returns in the format of JSON. So that is the format that actually returned in most of the APIs. I have seen REST APIs and I have seen SOAP API as well. So I think in SOAP API we have HTML format as such in web scraping, and in REST API we get the format in JSON, so you can have that format. Fourth is the Python library that we use to plot the charts in video slash lab is matplotlib. So the library which is used for uh, plotting the chart is matplotlib. Pandas deal with some other properties. PyCoinGecko, it is a library that is used for stock market prediction and all. It is for Bitcoin mining, how data analysis, how much Bitcoin has been transacted during the year, that kind of data. Plotly is also one of the libraries for plotting. Now, I think there were four questions only in this part, but in the later quiz, we have various questions which I am going to discuss in the next video. So that will be all for this video. Thank you, everyone.